Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're looking at the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, an absolute game-changer in luxury motorhomes. It's big, it's powerful, and it's packed with cutting-edge features. Whether you're a full-time traveler or just love the road, this beast is built to impress. Let's dive in. The Kenworth T2000 has always been a powerhouse, and in 2025, it gets a stunning makeover. The aerodynamic front end reduces drag, improving fuel efficiency. The LED matrix headlights not only look sharp, but provide exceptional visibility. And let's not forget the massive chrome grille, because this motorhome makes a statement. It's built on a heavy-duty chassis, stretching over 45 feet, ensuring maximum stability on long hauls. The side mirrors are equipped with 360-degree cameras, giving you a full view of your surroundings. The retractable side steps and automatic door system add convenience, making entry and exit effortless. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a 15-liter turbo diesel engine pushing out 600 horsepower and 2,050 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising on the highway, this motorhome delivers smooth and reliable performance. With an advanced 12-speed automatic transmission and an improved air suspension system, the ride quality is top-notch, even on rough terrains. Inside, luxury meets innovation. The cabin features premium leather captain's chairs with massage and cooling functions. The dashboard is fully digital, with a 15-inch infotainment screen supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver assistance system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance, making long trips safer and stress-free. Moving to the living area, this motorhome feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. It features a spacious lounge with a 65-inch smart TV, a surround sound system, and panoramic windows for breathtaking views. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and a convection oven. There's even a built-in espresso machine for coffee lovers. The bedroom offers a king-size bed with memory foam, ambient lighting, and plenty of storage. The bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring a walk-in shower with rainfall settings, a smart toilet, and heated floors. There's also a washer and dryer, so you can stay fresh on long trips. Technology plays a big role in this motorhome. It comes with solar panels, a high-capacity lithium battery system, and a smart energy management system, allowing you to stay off-grid for extended periods. The climate control system adjusts automatically to keep you comfortable in any weather. Safety is a priority, with advanced driver assist features, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. The reinforced frame and improved crash protection ensure peace of mind on the road. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome redefines luxury travel, combining power, comfort, and smart technology. With a starting price of around $500,000, it's a serious investment, but for those who want the best in road travel, it's worth every penny. Would you take this beast on a cross-country adventure? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic vehicle reviews. See you in the next one.